Hi, Rebecca. This is Mindy Wheat. I wanted to talk to you about David's usage on Lexia. Thanks for getting him on Lexia a little bit more. And January 29th was the best week. It was the week starting on the 29th. He got over the target of 100 minutes. And the week before that, he was fairly close. I would still count that as good. But the 2 weeks since then, he is underneath the usage goals. So I do want to see some consistency here because this is going to really help his overall reading and can hold him back if he's not showing the progress like he should. I also did notice in looking at his information a little bit closer that let me actually go back. He is almost up to leveling up. So he only has 2 more activities to go. One of them is really tricky, the prefix change rule. The passage comprehension also has a lot of attempts. For the passage comprehension, I can see that it has taken him 57 times to attempt that one and 41 times for the prefix. So those ones are really tricky. So once you go in and look at the details, so here's the prefix change rules. There's 8 activities, so we should see 8 or 16 attempts. But step 1, it took him 15 times, and 2, it took him 22. So these are really hard for him to figure out how to spell and understand the dictated words with prefixes. And then if you come down here and look at the comprehension, you'll also see some repeats, like 32 times he had to do this one where it was having him summarize, talk about what is it mainly about, or paraphrasing, some vocabulary and detail. That one took him a lot of times. Same with this third one here with paraphrasing and summarizing. So there's definitely some tricky things for him to be working on with comprehension and prefixes. But thank you for keeping him on there.